Whoop, this is Orange. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Okay, this other side, he's got good spots, big spots on him. Hi, bud. Okay. Green, boy. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. This is the guy that's been climbing out of his cage. Good boy. Hey, hey. Hey, Green. Okay. Blue boy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, bud. What's that? Good boy. Hi, bud. Hey. Hey, look at me. Good boy. Okay. Purple, this is a little girl. Hi, honey. Hey, look here. Good girl. See the spots. Good girl. Okay. Yep. This is Red, little girl. She's got an old brown head. Hey, honey. Hey, look here. Hey, baby. Good girl. Hi, hi.
Hey, baby.
What's the matter? Good girl.
What's the matter?
What's the
honey?
matter?
What's the matter?
Did we see your spots? Okay.
Purple?
You did purple, you did red, you need pink,
Who else?
blue. Oh, we did blue?
Blue first, I think.
Hi. Hey. This is the pink girl. She has a stripe down her face. She's the alpha female. Hey. Good girl. Is that it?
There's one more.
Is it green?
The green is beautiful.
This is the green. He's the guy that's been climbing out of the box. Hey, buddy. Okay. Is that it?
That's it.